Henry. Are you playing with the gumball machine? Do you need help? What do you do with your hand? Push. Yay! Come on, we'll put some more balls in there. You want to push it? Gotta push the blue lever. Now you can play with your feet. Do you want to push it again? Oh. Do you want to push again? I think they're stuck. Look at all the balls that are at your feet. Can you pick one of those up? No thanks? I'd rather not. Can you press the lever again? Can I give you a ball? There you go. Now do you want to put it in the top? Ready? We're gonna put it in the top. Here's another one. Here you go. Whoop.